Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic 2, how to fly safely over water. We'll have that coming right up. Now before we get into the video, I have a disclaimer to read. When flying your DJI Mavic 2 Pro or Zoom, always follow what is outlined in the owner's manual and updates from DJI. With that, let's begin. Mike Daniels was recently on Tuesday Night Rotor Talk Live, episode 25. I'll include a card above and a link in the description. We discussed at length flying over water, and I had a clip I was going to show you during the broadcast, but due to software constraints, I was unable to do so. So the clip is called Mavic 2 Low Altitude Hover Over Water with Positioning System On. And let's go ahead and roll that clip in its entirety.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
About a 1 foot average, showing 1 foot. About a foot, give or take. Trying for that 7 foot. Now we got a little bit of a ripple underneath it. Keep moving up and down a little bit still. Close to right here.
Landing.
Okay.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, so there we are, about a foot off the water, 1.3 feet over the water in the hover. Holding it pretty good, but like I said, I think it's because the rotor's making enough turbulence in the water that the sensor sees something instead of getting weird reflections. 3 feet over the water. You can see now it's starting to rise up and down on its own. It still thinks it's at 3 feet. You see the water screws with it, we know that. And it's going up and down, and it still thinks it's at 3 feet.
Okay, you can see how the Mavic 2 behaved, especially at the end where it was about approximately 10 or more feet up in the air and still showing 3 feet on the DJI Go 4 app. Now, Mike also sent me an article from DJI entitled How to Fly Safely Over Water, and I'm going to put a clip up on the screen, a slide on the screen from that article, and I'm going to read part of this to you. The prospect of flying over water can be a scary one for most drone pilots. Water environments are often filled with potential hazards such as boats, waves, high winds, and even birds. Although DJI does not encourage flying over water, professional aerial photographers and videographers will sometimes have to do precisely that. Therefore, this article offers constructive advice on what you can do before and during your overwater flight to ensure safety. Note, beginner pilots should refrain from flying over water at any time. Disable Vision Positioning System, VPS. All DJI drones come equipped with VPS, a technology that maps the surface below to help position the drone. When flying over water, however, light reflecting off the surface can cause issues with this technology. Because of this, it's best to maintain a height of at least 2 meters above the water. If you have to fly below this height, we recommend you turn off the VPS to avoid any unstable actions by the drone. The GIF below shows you how, and I'll include a link to this article in the description. Please note that these recommendations are from DJI, and if you have any questions, tweet them to DJI support. Also want to let you know too, if you disable the vision positioning system before you land, you need to understand, and Mike outlined this on Tuesday night, that you need to gently lower the stick when you're coming in for a landing, not put it all the way down. Also, if you're interested in purchasing one of Mike's floats, he has graciously given me a discount code for all of Bill the Drone Reviewers, viewers and subscribers, and it is BTDR, Bill the Drone Reviewer. I'll include a link to his website in the description if you would like to check them out and purchase them. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.